last topic, that is AWS S3 pre-signed URL. Okay, so basically a pre-signed URL in AWS S3 is a way to grant temporary access to specific objects without making those objects publicly accessible, right? So basically, let's say there are number of objects that are currently present in your S3 account, S3 bucket, and you want just a specific one should be available to the specific public for a specific duration of time. So in that case, pre-signed URL comes to the picture. This URL actually allows anyone to perform download or upload action, that is get or put actions on your S3 object for a limited amount of time, right? And how do we define the URL expiration? So basically there are two methods via S3 console, that is second AWS CLI, and third is the new option which we can see on GUI itself. So in S3 console you can set up from 1 minute to 720 minutes, that is 12 hours, and in AWS CLI you can configure expiration with expiring parameters in seconds. All right, now in which case basically we can use S3 pre-signed URL. So basically if you want the user to allow or download a specific video or a specific image from your specific bucket, you can go for pre-signed URL. Or if you want to allow temporary user to upload a file to a precise location in your AWS S3, you can go for it. Alright, so that was all about the theoretical part in pre-signed URL. Let us go and see the practical demonstration. So here I am in my AWS account, and let us go and create S3 bucket. So for this specific demonstration, there is no need to mark the entire bucket publicly accessible, all the object publicly accessible. Alright, so let me just create a bucket directly, the Shubham S3 access. Okay, I am keeping all the things as default, all the configuration will be by default same. Now the next thing would be I go inside and I'll be uploading one object, and that would be the Sekai image as usual. Okay, upload. Okay, so the object is now uploaded. Now when I go inside the object, you can see there is one object URL, right? So when I click on this, I am getting access denied. Why? Because this object is not publicly available. Okay, let me open this URL in the next tab. Okay, and there is another one. When you click on this open, you are able to access the object, right? So basically it's the Cobra Kai poster that we have just uploaded as an object. Okay, yeah, so let us get back. So if you just see, the initials in both the URL is the same, and here is the remaining thing, the access security token, which is actually allowing us to view the image, right? Now what if I want to make this URL accessible to the public for next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, let's say some hour? So that you can do from here. You can go to object action, you need to create share a pre-signed URL. Okay, click on share with pre-signed URL, and here you have two options, that is the time interval can be decided in two modes, that is minutes or in hours. So if you click over here, you just need to mention the number of hours, which would be from 1 to 12, maximum is 12, and in minutes also minimum is 1 and maximum is 720, that is 12 hours again. So I want to make it available for next 5 minutes, and I'll just click on create pre-signed URL. Okay, I'll just copy the pre-signed URL, I'll open a new incognito tab, enter. And now as you can see, we are able to access the object through that pre-signed URL which has been shared with us. All right, that was all about this demonstration, where we actually made the object accessible to the public for a specific duration of time with the help of pre-signed URL. All right, so that was all about this demonstration. Now let us go back and destroy all the resources that we have created so far. So let us go to the bucket and let me just delete the object. The best part here is we didn't even enable versioning over here, right? So you just need to enable pre-signed URL for the specific duration of time and you will be good to go. All right, so yeah, object is deleted, and now let me delete the bucket as well. Delete. All right, so that was all about this video, and see you in the next one.